Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can view private Instagram account. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. Note that there isn't any website or app that can actually show you a private account's photos, so don't fall for any of those scams. They are all scams, but there all are a couple of workarounds that you can do on the Instagram app. But first things first, to do that, you have to head over to the Instagram app. The first thing that you can do is just request to follow them. 9 times out of 10, they'll just accept your request and then you'll be able to see their photos. So you just do that by going to their profile and then requesting to follow them. The second thing that you can do, if you don't want them to know that it was actually you can go back to your home page and then click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on your users and then create a new account. So if you create a new account that's not linked to your other accounts, they actually won't be able to tell that it's you at all and you can request to follow them. Now, the third way to do it is you can actually ask a friend who's already following them what their photos look like. So you can just ask them to send a screenshot of the profile to you and then you'll be able to see all the photos. So that's basically how you can view private Instagram account. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.